Last episode, we were here at Bulusan Lake. And today, we are heading to Balay Buhay sa Uma Bee Farm. Hi guys, now we are here in
Bee farm, still in
Sorsogon.
yeah. Bula, no?
Bulusan, near from Bulusan.
and it's raining, so we gotta run. Now, this place is a combined bee farm, restaurant, and a resort. Here you get to have a farm life experience in a serene and nature calming environment. So these are the beehives, and you can actually see them very close. You can actually see the bees, how they make honey. And there are so many more of these around.
They said this is the sweet and sour honey.
Oh wow, so this is the sweet
Yeah.
and sour honey.
This is from,
So this is the sweet and sour honey. But it's so nice because they put this little roof above their hive.
Ayoko lumapit. Hi guys, this is the sweet
Beehive.
beehive.
So they create sweet honey. Now these bees are called kiwat, or sometimes called stingless honeybees.
Ay, nakita ko na kanilo ka nalaglag ka. That's so.
Hindi ko tabagwan.
Hindi ko.
Tabagwan. In English. So, what?
Here you can also go swimming in their natural pool. Now this pool has a free-flowing spring water from Mount Bulusan. We're here at this little river with the little waterfalls over there. You can actually use the kayak over there. So nice.
And it's the cold spring water.
Yeah, it's a cold spring water, so the water's really cold here. So we're gonna just take some pictures here for our Instagram and
Coming from the Bulusan Lake.
these are their own produced honey that you can buy from here.
Time to go home.
So that's all for now, and thank you guys for watching. So there will be more adventures next, so don't forget to
Comment and subscribe.
see you guys again soon. Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye.